Linking your bank account to Groundfloor is a straightforward process that allows you to easily manage your investments. Follow these steps to successfully connect your account. Step 1. Create a Groundfloor account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section on the Groundfloor dashboard. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select bank account linking. In account settings, look for an option that says link bank account or bank account settings. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank information, Groundfloor may require you to verify your account. This could involve confirming small test deposits made by Groundfloor into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Groundfloor. You can now manage your investments with ease.